How to fix FireKirin app not opening. First of all, make sure your device has enough storage space and that your system is running smoothly. Low storage or background apps can prevent the app from launching. Next, try restarting your device as this can clear temporary issues and refresh the system. You can also clear the app cache by going to your device settings, finding FireKirin in the apps list and selecting Clear Cache. Check that the FireKirin app is updated to the latest version, as older versions may have bugs that prevent it from opening. If the app still doesn't open, try reinstalling FireKirin by uninstalling it and downloading it again from the official website. Finally, if the problem persists, contact FireKirin support for assistance. They can help resolve account or app-related issues that might be preventing the app from launching. Now you know how to fix FireKirin app not opening. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.